Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you the uses of Python. So let's get started. We cannot limit the use of Python nowadays. It can be used in web development applications, web pages, and also according to Datanize, the Python is surpassing the PHP. Major percentage of web application is done by PHP. It is widely used in gaming platforms. Netflix, Instagram, YouTube, etc. are using Python, and that's why Python is gaining popularity. It is enriched library made Python to be used everywhere from gaming to scientific, mathematical to artificial intelligence, testing environment, etc. So the first use and the main use of Python is web development. Python can be used to make web application at a rapid rate. Why is that? It is because of the frameworks Python uses to create these applications. There is a common backend logic that goes into making these frameworks and a number of libraries that can help integrate protocols such as HTTPS, FTP, SSL, etc. and even help in processing of JSON, XML, email, and so much more. So the second use of Python is scientific computing and data science. Python is also used for scientific research and computing and even has several science friendly or science specific libraries including AstroP for astronomy, BioPython for biology and bioinformatics, GraphTool for statistical analysis of graphs, and Psychopy for neuroscience and experimental psychology. Third use of Python. Third use of Python is machine learning. Machine learning includes things like speech recognition, financial services, and even the recommendations Netflix serves up every time you log in that make you think, how do they know? Although, fun fact, Netflix also employs a team that manually tags videos as well. So, Python is used for machine learning via specific machine learning libraries and frameworks including scikit-learning and TensorFlow. Fourth use of Python. In 2016, HackerRank released a survey of various industries revealing which programming languages they were prioritizing when hiring developers, programmers, and engineers. When it came to fintech, Python dominated the pack. You can see here in fintech, Python is used the most. Fintech uses Python the most, and in finance, Java is used much more. So, and also according to HackerRank, Python is used all over financial industry. Finance tech recruiters will tell you that Python is the fastest growing language in finance in journal. If you look hard, sorry, if you look at finance technologies, big banks like Bank of America have worked hard to transform their tech stack from legacy code to Python. And the last use of Python and the fifth use of Python is calculators. You can learn to build quality graphical user interface GUI calculator in Python. In fact, this is an excellent introduction to GUI programming and and a solid starter Python project for beginners. Just be aware that it will help you to have some previous coding experiences before you attempt it. And there are many more uses of Python, but I can't tell them all in one video. So I hope you find my video useful. Please like my channel. Please like this video. Share this video to your friends and families and subscribe to my channel too. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.